Hi, I'm Costa, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a tooltip inside Framer. So that is very useful when, for example, you want to give more context about certain elements inside your website. Also when you want to inform people about something and maybe you don't have enough space, or you just want to hide the message and you want the message to show up when people hover on certain buttons or other elements. So let me show you how you can create this by yourself. Select the element you want to add the tooltip, then go to overlays, click on relative. Now make this much smaller than this. At least in my case, I will make it much smaller. And now I will give it a name, a remix. Let's center this and now bring it on top. I will give it 8 pixels gap, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, let's center this like this. Let's now see how this tooltip works. So when I hover on this, it works perfect. So yeah, it's very easy to create it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.